Create new file. The width of canvas must be 22. Make sure the resolution is at least 300 dpi. Color mode should definitely be CMYK. The background must be transparent. Let's create our design. Select all layer and click on Merge Layers. Go to Export Preferences. Make sure the settings are as shown here. Let's export the design as a PG file. Then, open the exported file. You should change the resolution of the image size. Please uncheck Resample box and enter the value to resolution field. Save the PG file again.